I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca. We're in Vaughan, in Maple actually, with an exceptional property. A two-story townhouse that's got a number of features I'd like to show you. One of the unique features of this building and this unit is the fact that it has a parking garage available to it. That's an owned space. Not every unit in this complex has covered parking. That's a bonus. Another feature of this building and this unit is that you've got assigned visitor parking spaces here, surface spaces right beside the unit. If you have guests, it's very convenient. There's many shops and conveniences nearby. There's easy highway access. And one great thing here, you don't have to cross the street or go out of your way to entertain your kids. There's a playground right in the complex. Welcome home. What I like about this space is that there's an actual foyer to greet your guests with a large closet. So there's plenty of room for shoes and jackets and other items that you need. What a beautiful kitchen this unit has. It's quartz counters, plenty of cabinet and counter space to entertain your friends, and even a breakfast bar. This is a full-size family kitchen. There's no compromises here, plenty of space. If you love to entertain, you've got plenty of room to do it. You've got an open concept living and dining room. The dining room has access to one of two balconies for this unit, and there's a two-piece powder room for your guests. One of the best features of this home, there's no carpet. In fact, even the stairs are upgraded. They've got wrought iron spindles. As you come into this upper level, there's additional storage, nice modern laundry suite, and there's two spacious bedrooms, including a primary bedroom that has a walk-in closet and a very large second bedroom, also serviced by its own large closet. The primary suite on the second floor offers another incredible feature. If you love your morning coffee or you'd like to read a book before you turn in for the day, it has its own private balcony. You've seen the features of this two-bedroom, two-balcony townhouse here in Maple in Vaughan. You've seen the garage, the incredible amenities of this place and this location, what's nearby, shopping, Canada's Wonderland, highway access, and so much more. What's left? Come and have a look for yourself. Call us at 416-557-7653. That's 416-557-SOLD. Email us at info@matteirealty.ca, or why not check out this listing and others at matteirealty.ca. I'm Eric Mattei. Have a great day.